Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to enable the built-in administrator account on Windows 11. This account has elevated privileges that can be useful for troubleshooting and administrative tasks. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Using Command Prompt. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Press Windows plus S and type Command. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Next, type the following command and press Enter. Net User Administrator / active. Yes. This will enable the administrator account. If you want to set a password, type Net User Administrator, your password, and press Enter. Once you get the command completed successfully message, then your password is set for the newly activated administrator account. Now log off from your current account, and you will be able to see the administrator account at the bottom left of the logon screen. Use your set password to log in into the administrator account. Method 2. Using Local Users and Groups Manager. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type lusrmg_MSC and press Enter. In the left pane, select Users. Double-click on Administrator. In the Administrator Properties window, uncheck the Account is Disabled box. Click Apply, and then OK. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the built-in administrator account on Windows 11. Now right-click on Administrator and click on Set Password. Click on Proceed. Enter the new password, then confirm the new password and hit OK. Don't forget to set a strong password to keep your system secure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.